In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create event mockups using Canva. We'll build a clean, realistic scene that showcases your event concept, and I'll walk you through each part, so it's easy to follow and repeat. Start by opening your design in Canva. This can be an existing project you've already started or a new canvas sized for where you plan to share it. Once your design is open, we'll set the stage for the mockup. Head to the Elements panel and search for background or room. You are looking for a backdrop that matches the vibe of your event. Think banquet hall, cozy lounge, or airy studio. Choose a room with a clear perspective and enough empty space to place your items. Stretch it to fill the page so your scene feels immersive and intentional. Next, we'll bring in the essential event pieces. In Elements, search for items like chairs, tables, tabletop decor, balloon arch, or neon light. Drag them into your scene and position them where they would naturally sit in a real setup. If an element comes in too bright or bold, check for color options in the editor to harmonize everything. As you scale objects, keep their proportions consistent, so chairs don't look oversized or tiny against the table. Align items with the room's floor lines to match perspective and avoid a floating look. Now, let's build depth with layering. Use the Arrange tools to send items forward or backward until the composition feels natural. For instance, place a table in front of the backdrop, chairs slightly in front or behind as needed, and decor layered to frame the focal point. Think in foreground, midground, and background. When items sit correctly in space, the scene feels more believable and polished. To enhance realism, we'll add shadows. In Elements, search shadow and choose a style that suits your objects, like soft drop shadows or subtle floor shadows. Place the shadow under the item it belongs to. Then lower the transparency so it blends gently with the background. Adjust the angle and size to match the direction of the light in your room image. Softer, lighter shadows feel more natural indoors, while sharper ones suggest stronger light. Keep shadows consistently on the same side for every object to maintain a unified look. Take a final glance to ensure everything is balanced and cohesive. When your scene looks grounded and visually clear, you've got a professional event mock-up ready to showcase your ideas. Thanks for watching.